Welcome, you're watching our special election show, The Political Pradesh, and in state of war of Sardars in Punjab, it appears Channi versus Sidhu is refusing to die down. Remember now, Navjot Singh Sidhu, who is the PCC chief, has decided to come forth. And he has, via social media site, given a very strange, cryptic statement, but it clearly attempts to be against Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi. Because Sidhu has said, either the system will prevail or him. The system at this point, remember, in Punjab is being run by the Congress party and led by Charanjit Singh Channi as the chief minister. So what's happening there? The Punjab Congress chief primarily invoked the sacrilege case and also specifically the drug trade to target his own government. Sidhu has reiterated that he is not running for any position, but said Punjab needed to get rid of the mafias who are running the state in connivance with certain mischievous politicians. Sidhu Channi face-off has further intensified. Why? Because after a post on the Punjab Congress chief's Facebook page says Sidhu's government is soon hitting at Sidhu eyeing the top position ahead of elections. Remember, the Congress party has not yet announced who is going to be the chief minister's candidate, and therefore much of it, as many are alleging, could be aimed at that.
दो राह ने या तो लॉलीपॉप दे दो आप फ्री ऐ फलाना आखिरी 2 महीने ਹੁੰਦਾ पौने 5 साल ठोका ठोक ਇਹਨੂੰ टा ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸਿੱਟ ਇਹ ਤੇ ਜ਼ੁਲਮ ਇਹਦੇ ਹੱਕ ਖੋ ਤੇ ਆਖਰੀ 2 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਚ ਆ ਵੀ ਲੈ ਲੈ ਆ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਸਮਾਨ ਪੱਟ ਕੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਜੇਬ ਚ ਸਿੱਟ ਦੂੰ ਤਾਰੇ ਲਿਆਉਂ ਆ ਵੀ ਦੇ ਦੂੰ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛੋ कित्थों देगा सवाल ये है कित्थों देगा
वो पॉपुलर होंगे। देखिए, एक बात समझ लीजिए, अगर पॉपुलर हैं तो प्रमाणित करने की क्या जरूरत है। देखिए, वो सूर्य है, वो प्रमाण देता है कि उसमें प्रकाश है। जो कुछ भी लोग चाहेंगे वो होगा। जमीन फाड़ के आवाज आएगी। खुद से कहने से, अपने मुंह से शादी मुबारक कहने से कुछ नहीं होगा। लोग अगर कहेंगे, हाईकमांड अगर कहेगी, तो उस बात में वजन है।
मैं अभी इलेक्शन मोड में है ही नहीं, मैं सरकार चला रहा हूं। जब इलेक्शन आएगा तो इलेक्शन की बात करेंगे। अभी तो इलेक्शन ही नहीं आए, पानी आएगा तभी मौजे खोलेंगे ना। पानी आया नहीं, बूट पहले खोलकर खड़े हो जाएंगे तो कैसे चलेगा। आने दो, पानी आएगा तो उस तरीके से विचार करेंगे, शांति से करेंगे जैसे मैं करता हूं।
Harmeet Singh has been tracking all the latest in Punjab and is now live from Chandigarh. Harmeet, who do you think this benefits? Does it really benefit the Congress party that Sidhu consistently tries to take on the system, which is his own government in the Congress party in the state of Punjab, led by the Congress party?
Pooja, one thing is clear that there is one interpretation to his back-to-back tweets that he is targeting his own government, but this interpretation is not cast in stone. He is right. He's talking about system, the word that you mentioned. Now, if you look at his tweets, then he is speaking about 2 issues. One is, of course, the sacrilege case, and the other one is the drug mafia. Now, I think it will be a bit unreasonable to say that these 2 tweets are directed at Channi, because these 2 issues actually are directed at the Badals. If you see that over the past 4 or 5 years, Congress has constantly been accused of, when Captain Amrinder Singh was there, that you are not doing enough on these 2 fronts, the drug case and the sacrilege case. Now, if Navjot Singh Sidhu has to attack has to attack his own government, then he will not talk about these 2 issues. He will rather talk about employment, bread and butter issues. He would rather talk about joblessness, which is very peculiar in this state. He would rather talk about the agrarian crisis, but no, he is talking about those 2 issues which are directly related to the Badals. So I think it is a bit exaggeration to say that he is, whenever he tweets, that tweet is aimed at Channi. Actually, in this case, it is not.
Very interesting, specifically, of course, the drug trade for which the Badals received a lot of criticism. But as of now, of course, Channi is the chief minister. It's very interesting if there is any sort of wordplay here. Thank you so much, Harmeet, for tracking all the latest. So that is the Shiromani Akali Dal and the Congress party, specifically Sidhu and Channi, in a face-off. What is the Aam Aadmi Party then up to? Remember, AAP is trying to make roads inwards into the state of Punjab. Kejriwal said, who is the national convener of AAP, that Bhagwant Mann is their biggest face. Bhagwant Mann is a comedian turned politician and has been active in politics, at least in Punjab, as Aam Aadmi Party's member of parliament. He's been active in politics for about 11 years. Who is Mann? And could he become the Aan Baan Shaan of Aam Aadmi Party as chief minister? Here's a special report on him.
मेरी सोच में प्यार करने वाला
ये लोकतंत्र के लोग बड़े ने
दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी डेमोक्रेसी वादे कीते ऐलान कीते एक भी पूरा नहीं होया चौकीदार देख रहा है और लोग बैंकों को चूना लगाकर भगौड़े हो रहे हैं और लाखों पढ़े लिखे नौजवानों के सपने
सरकास्टिक
भगौड़े हो रहे हैं। हरसिमरत कौर की वीडियो आई है, रो रही है वो, मैं और
स्कॉर्नफुल
सुखबीर जी कभी मिले नहीं।
सीरियस मीट द 48-year-old संगरूर MP भगवंत मान
वालों को भी मैं कहता हूं क्या फ्री बोल।
and then a crowd pulling leader of Arvind Kejriwal's Aam Aadmi Party in Punjab. Man's tryst with active politics began with Manpreet Singh Badal's People's Party of Punjab in 2011. That debut was unsuccessful at the hustings.
हमारी गीता में लिखा है
Man couldn't win his seat in the Punjab Assembly elections a year later. But when he joined Aam Aadmi Party in March 2014, he breezed into the Lok Sabha with a margin of more than 2 lakh votes from Sangrur, his home district. In 2015, Man and his wife filed for divorce. They have a son and a daughter living overseas.
In politics, Bhagwant Mann was the only silver lining in AAP's 2019 Lok Sabha contest. He retained his Sangrur seat, but with a reduced margin of a little over 1 lakh votes.
Sangrur is abuzz about Man's possible second attempt for a slot in the state legislature from one of its assembly segments. He appears to have a committed fan following here.
ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਲੀਡਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਮੂਹਰੇ ਬੋਲਣਾ ਸਿਖਾਇਆਗਾ ਕਿ ਐਵੇਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੰਮ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਐਵੇਂ ਗ੍ਰਾਂਟਾਂ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਐਮਪੀ ਦਾ ਕੀ ਕੰਮ ਆ ਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਐਮਐਲਏ ਦਾ ਕੀ ਕੰਮ ਆ।
ਸਾਰਾ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ, ਆਉਂਦੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਵੀ ਨੇ, ਬਹੁਤ ਗ੍ਰਾਂਟਾਂ ਦਿੱਤੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਸਾਰੇ ਕੰਮ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ।
But Man and controversy have gone hand in hand. He has been accused of compromising parliament security.
हाउस के अंदर होता तो मैं हो सकता है तुरंत कुछ डिसीजन लिया जाता मेरी तरफ से, मगर ये हाउस के बाहर मगर पार्लियामेंट के अहाते में हुई घटना है सब, तो ये सभी सोच करके हम कार्रवाई जरूर करेंगे, सब लोगों से विचार विमर्श करके।
And even of attending the house drunk.
मैं बहुत प्रताड़ित होता हूँ अब उस सीट पर बैठकर मेरे को वहाँ से बदला जाए। मैंने तो ये कहा है जी, इसका अभिप्राय तो यही है जी कि उधर से बदबू आती है।
And then came some damage control. Man made a teetotal pledge at a public rally 2 years ago.
वो तो खत्म हो गया ना अब मैंने पब्लिक में भी कर दिया, हालांकि ये मेरा पर्सनल था। कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह अरूसा के साथ बैठकर चीयर्स करके पीता है, वो मुद्दा नहीं है। जो परसेप्शन मेरी बना रहे थे अब मैंने वो भी बंद कर दिया कि चलो अब क्या करोगे।
On a grueling mission once again as Kejriwal's star campaigner in Punjab.
The challenge for Bhagwant Mann is momentous this time around. A lot has changed in Punjab's electoral scene between last elections and this election. The contest is multipolar now. Mann, the pride of Aam Aadmi Party in Punjab, has to sail up through a multi-cornered contest this time around. With camera person Dalveer Singh, this is Harmeet Shah Singh from Dhuri Assembly segment for India Today.